Hey guys, another day, another work. Today was a busy day. I have been to a very important and very interesting data science workshop. It inaugurated today, but the main part will be starting from tomorrow. We have the idea mostly what it was taught today, but I have learned about something new. For example, hypertuning. I was unaware of this term hypertuning, and moreover to some new terminologies about data science and data analytics, and mainly the differences between both of these terms. And the update on the research is that we are almost complete, or say we are completed with the implementation part. Oh, sorry. See, this is the graph. We are struggling. We were struggling. Now it's finally done perfectly. So now we have to start the writing part, which is pretty easy, but then also we'll do it soon. It's 12th of November today. We hope to complete it by Saturday. Bye. Peace out.